What evidence should I save after a slip and fall at an apartment building? Save anything that shows what caused the fall, who knew or should have known about the danger, and how the injury affected you. Start with photos and videos of the exact condition, such as a hidden hole, weak floor, loose tile, water leak, poor lighting, or unsafe stairs. Take close-up and wide photos, and if possible, show the area from normal standing height, so it is clear whether the danger was hard to see. Save every message with the landlord, property manager, maintenance staff, or leasing office, including emails, texts, portal entries, work orders, incident reports, and voicemails. Write down who you spoke with, when you reported it, and what they said. Keep your lease, move-in inspection forms, move-in photos, prior repair requests, and anything showing earlier problems with the floor, bathroom, leaks, or maintenance. Also save medical records, discharge papers, imaging reports, bills, prescriptions, work restrictions, missed work records, pay stubs, transportation receipts, and a simple daily log of pain and limitations. If there were witnesses, get their names and contact information. Evidence can disappear quickly after repairs, cleanup, or overwritten video, so preserve it as soon as you can. And in North Carolina, fault disputes can be very serious, so avoid guessing, exaggerating, or giving recorded insurance statements before you understand your rights.